How to use Jagat app. This is a new trending app. It's quickly goes up in charts. Social apps. This is like alternative to Zenly app. If you remember that app, which is what was quite popular. A lot of users like Zenly. It has very strong niche audience. But unfortunately, it was shut down by Snapchat. So Snapchat acquired Zenly and then shut it down. And Snapchat is trying to implement Zenly features inside of Snapchat Map. Some users like it, but still a lot of people who just want to have a separate app like Zenly. And Jagat is trying to be that app, and it's actually a well-made app. Before that, there were like few apps like BFF and some others, which are also trying to be like Woo app, BFF. I haven't tried any others. But yeah, this one seems to have a good shot of replacing Zenly because it's very well made. There are a lot of super interesting features here. And also now you can easily import and recover your Zenly data from here. If you had like some location file from Zenly, now you can just basically import it to the Jagat app. So just open it up, and here's how it looks like. It looks quite similar to Zenly. Actually, you just have this social map, and then you can see like your location and like your like places and stuff like that. Then you can open this radar. You can just see posts from some other people, like whatever they are posting. There aren't that many people yet on this app. It's it's quite niche, and most of the users are in US. Then you can just add friends here from contacts by ID, by scanning QR code. You can see your own QR code and share it. Here you can also see your ID, and then you can just basically the idea is that like then you can just see where your friends are, what they're doing, and all of that. You can also enable ghost mode. So for some friends, you can share your precise location where you are exactly right now. For some other friends, you can just enable frozen location. Friends set to frozen will see your last location prior to being frozen and will no longer receive location. So you can also do that. And then there are settings. This app is available in different languages. You can delete your account easily, and to create an account, it's just super easy. You just log in with Apple or Google. Yeah, this app is available on Android, so you can easily log in here with Google or Apple. And then there are some additional features. For example, one of the features is called Now. This is like kind of Be Real, so you can just share photos while you are going around, or just attach this photo to a specific location. So you can do that. I just showed ghost mode. There is radar. Then there is another feature. If you invite a lot of people, you can invite them just share your invitation code. If you invite them like this, you can just enter these invites. Then you'll just be able to get some pops and some additional points which can be used in this app. So that's like the pops are just some additional points you're getting, and the more friends you invite, the more pops you get, and then you can get some deals and rewards in this app. So yeah, that's basically the just quick overview what you can do here. And then you can just search for friends. You can invite some people here, and then you can message them as well. So there you have it.